A couple of months ago, we talked to you about the use of organic fertilizers in the home garden. Well, recently we found out about another organic fertilizer that's actually a byproduct of the poultry industry right out of northeastern Oklahoma and northwestern Arkansas. Well, SUNUP reporter Ron Dahlgren gives us a little bit of insight to this unique fertilizer process.
What do you do with 5,000 tons of poultry litter? Well, here in Southwest City, they put it on a floor and compost it and turn it into organic fertilizer. It's one of the many ways the poultry industry is trying to lessen its impact on the environment.
We gather the litter from the farms and take it to our compost site, which is located just north of Siloam Springs, and compost it there. And after it reaches a composted state, we take it to Watts, Oklahoma, to our bagging and pelletizing operation there, and then from there then we ship it out after it's pelletized to various locations in the United States.
The result is a 444 composted organic fertilizer. To get higher ratings, other ingredients are added, such as blood meal, bone and feather meal, and some phosphorus and potassium mixes.
Strictly byproducts from the poultry industry, all but the phosphorus and potassium mixes are all poultry related. Everything we do, with the exception of those two, which is in a very minute form, is strictly 100% poultry.
The company contracts with two major poultry companies in northwest Arkansas, taking the litter from about 250 contract poultry houses. They can process 60,000 tons of litter in a year, here in this 3-acre building north of Siloam Springs, Arkansas.
In order to compost, you have to be able to add water and air primarily with your compost, and you have to do that at the times you want to do it, and that's regulated by the heat of the compost. And we found that if you can't 100% control your environment, then you can't make a quality compost.
The heat of the composting process, which can reach 160 degrees, kills any disease organisms, insects, and insect eggs, and any weed seeds. It also eliminates the ammonia, which is where poultry litter odor comes from.
We thought the hardest part of the business may be actually making the product, but we found that over the last 2 years we've developed an excellent product, and it hadn't been as difficult really as what we thought. But the sales part of it, it's organic fertilizer. It is a new industry. You're kind of bucking the industry of commercial fertilizer, which has been around forever, and it's just getting the word out to the people and that it's available. That's the hardest thing, and when you're trying to do that on a nationwide scale, it takes time.
OrganiGrow is marketing its products to farmers as soil amendments for crop and pasture land, and to retail stores for the consumer market. The product is also registered in Oklahoma and Arkansas as a feed ingredient.
We hope you've enjoyed this classic from the Oklahoma Gardening Vault. Remember, even though these tips and techniques are timeless, there's always something new to learn in the world of gardening. By subscribing to both Oklahoma Gardening and OKGardeningClassics, you'll have access to a wealth of gardening knowledge, both classic and contemporary.